Hi friends, have you ever thought of asset-backed securities that are not backed by mortgage? Yes, there are asset-backed securities which are not backed by any mortgage and they are called non-mortgage asset-backed securities. So today we are going to discuss about non-mortgage asset-backed securities, their cash flow and the credit risk associated. Okay, so generally in case of non-mortgage asset-backed securities, the securities are backed by financial assets like auto loan, account receivable, and this credit card receivable and assets like this kind. Okay, so here in this session we are going to see about two specific non-mortgage asset-backed securities, and they are auto loan and another is credit card asset-backed securities. Okay, in auto loan what happens, they are basically issued by financial subsidiaries of auto manufacturing companies, credit union, or any small financial institutions. Okay, and the maturity ranges from 3 years to 6 years. Okay, and here the payment consists of like interest amount, principal and the prepayment. Here the prepayment happens in two cases. Suppose any burglary or stealing happens, then the amount will be paid by the insurance company, or if the automobile will be sold or repurchased, then the amount will be sold or will be paid to the financial institution. Okay, here the like to attract the institutional investors, some credit enhancement credit enhancement will be done, and the debt is provided through senior subordinated debt and junior tranche. Okay, and the credit risk is absorbed by the junior tranche. Okay, so this is about auto loan. Now we will go to see how credit card asset backed securities work. Okay, credit card asset backed securities consist of the pool all the credit card receivables. Okay, these are the mortgages, and it is owed to the bank and any credit card issuing company, entertainment or traveling company, like those kind of companies. And here there is a particular lockout period during which there will be no prepayment done. Okay, and here the charges are, or the payments occur in, like in terms of annual fees, financial charges, interest payment and principal payment. Okay, but the principal payment is revolving in nature, and if any prepayment occurs, then it will be always tried that again another account receivable will be issued, so the whole amount will remain the same, and the interest rate is variable in nature. Okay, so these are the kind of cash flow, I mean the asset backed security which are non mortgage in nature, and and we saw how the interest rate and the cash flow associated and affect to those securities. Okay, now we will see collateralized debt obligations. Okay, these are the debt securities which are issued by the special purpose vehicle. Okay, and when it is issued by corporate or like any emerging market, they are called as collateralized uh, bond obligation, and they are basically of senior like senior bond or mezzanine or junior bond type basically. Okay, and here the unlike any asset backed securities, here the payment doesn't depend on any interest rate, rather it depends on there will be a collateral manager who does the buying and selling of the securities. Okay, and there will be cash generated from this trading, and it will be paid to the investor. So that is the basic difference between the asset backed security and this collateral debt obligation. Okay, and they are of structured collateral debt obligation, where the securities are backed by asset backed security, residential mortgage backed securities and other collateral debt obligations. And there is a synthetic collateral debt obligation, where it is where it is consisted of credit default, where the securities are consisted of credit default swap, okay, and the interest is a variable rate, okay. So this is about the collateral debt obligation and their type and the interest rate and how the debt securities are issued, okay. So in the next session we will talk and see more to the how the this securitization structure is, how it is, by what way it is motivated, how the tranches are formed and all these things. Thank you very much. I hope this information is helpful to you all. Thank you very much.